Ever wondered if customer reviews are real? Well, listen to this. Meet Brian, a truly satisfied client who couldn't wait to share his experience with Australian Credit Solutions. In his own words, the service from Australian Credit Solutions is quite extraordinary. Brian was blown away by how timely and efficient the team handled everything. He gives a special shout out to Anjali, who, despite being a bit late to their meeting, went above and beyond by thoroughly explaining everything. Brian couldn't have asked for better assistance. And that's not all. Jem also stepped in to provide wonderful updates, keeping Brian informed every step of the way. Brian is truly grateful for the excellent service he received. So if you're looking for top-notch credit solutions, take it from Brian. Australian Credit Solutions is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, great credit starts with great service.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.